Hello everyone, welcome to the Binary Logic YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you everything about IQ option tournament. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, the Binary Logic, to get more trading related videos. So I will show you everything about IQ option tournament, how to trade in IQ option tournament, and what the IQ option tournaments are. So to start with the video, you need to have a IQ option account. If you do not have any account yet, please visit the binarylogic.com/IQ option, or you can simply check the description of this video to create a free trading account at first, and then log in your platform, and then you will get a platform like this. To trade in IQ option tournament, you need to deposit money at first because you cannot participate in the tournaments by a demo account. You need to have a real account to trade in IQ option tournaments. Okay, so to deposit money at first in your real account, minimum $10 is enough to participate in IQ option tournament. And then instead of trading in the digital or binary, you need to select this dot icon, 3 dot at the left side menu, and select tournaments. You will find tournaments here. So select tournaments and you will find the upcoming tournaments in IQ option. Every week you will have a lot of tournaments to participate in. You can see the running tournaments now is 72 hours. 72 hours is the name. So 1 day is 14 hours and 40 minutes remaining. You can see the prize pool is 5,000. Entry fee is only $2. Participants are 2,866, and instruments are BO means binary options and DO means digital options. Okay, so select this tournament and you will find more details, time left to the end, and the rule. You will have 100% tournament account. That means you will have a $100 tournament balance to start trading, and you can see the start date, end date, and you will find the leaderboard here. So who are the leaders right now? So I hope you are now clear how to trade and how to participate in this tournament. So let me show you how to join. So if you want to join this tournament, just select join the tournament. It will charge only $2. So select join. You can see the entry fee is $2. Select continue and you will find the tournament balance. You can see switch to tournament account. So I just already participated in this tournament. If I click on switch to tournament account, my platform will switch to tournament account. Okay, you can see current balance tournament. So tournament balance means my trading platform is now converted to tournament. That means I can now trade in my tournament. Okay, so select close and you can see balance is now tournament selected. So when you select tournament, you can see the color is now changed at the top right corner. Okay, so if you click here, you will find real account, practice account, and tournament 72 hours. Okay, I have a $100 balance. If you place trades right now, it will now be the tournament balance. So if you own the trade, let's say I am placing a trade with $5. I am placing a lower trade here just for testing purpose. Okay, you can see my position is now changed, 1174. So let's place another trade according to the market condition. I am placing a, let's say, lower trade here. Okay, it's going down. I'm not going to place the lower trade. $110. Okay, I own the trade and my position will now change. Okay, you can see now my position is 138. That means just after winning a trade of $45, my position has increased around 1,000. Okay, so this is how you can place the trade. If I now go to the leaderboard, tournaments, this is the leaderboard. Go to leaderboard and you can see my position is now 138. So if you see the prize pool distribution, you can see only 15 position, till the 15th position everyone will get prizes. That means you need to be in 15 to get the prizes. Okay, Now let me show you how to rebuy. If your balance is low, you can buy again to join the tournament once again. So to rebuy, you need to find the top right corner and select rebuy to rebuy the amount again. So select rebuy, and if you click rebuy, you can see $2 is now going to deducted from your main balance and it will add to your tournament balance. So this is the way how you can rebuy your money if you lose your money in the tournament. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment below, or if you do not have any account, don't forget to visit the binarylogic.com/IQ option to create a free trading account. I will see you in another video. Have a great day. Bye.